So this is how to earn money through CGA grip. It's quite actually easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. CGA grip is an affiliate marketing network that allows you to earn money via promoting offers and generating leads. First, you will need to go to CPA grip website and then sign up as an affiliate. Then fill up the necessary information and complete the registration process. Browse through the available offers on CPA grip and then select the offers that align with your target audience. Once you have selected the offer, now you can promote it on different marketing channels. If you have a website or a blog with the relevant audience, then you can use this platform to promote services. Just you have to use a persuasive language, then add your link and encourage your visitors to take a desired action. You can also utilize the social platforms to promote the offers like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. All you need to do is create engaging content, add your affiliate links, and encourage your followers to take a desired action. You can also use paid advertisement to promote offers. You can use platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to promote offers. So that's how you can earn money on CPA grip.